Hi, class. We are in week 15, and I am at the airport um, waiting for a flight. So, wanted to record you a video though. This is the final week of reflection, and then next week you will put together your final paper. I will have all your papers graded by this Sunday. I'm terribly, horribly sorry for being behind in grading. It's been a challenging few weeks, but I will have all your papers caught up and graded. I'm going to waive my no submitting late work at the last week of class so that if something happens to go wrong with your mixed methods paper or with your research questions paper and you score below an 80, you can always rewrite that paper. And again, that's true for any paper in class. Just resubmit it to the same link and I will get it graded. For the final paper, though, you want to be sure that you are actually putting everything together into a new paper. And you use all the same stuff you've used, but you want to make corrections to it based on my feedback. You also want to make sure that when you are using the articles, you have to have 4 articles. 3 of them you've done in class, and you need to get 1 more. Some of you already have that extra one because you submitted an extra paper. You submitted the wrong type of paper for a assignment, so you already have the extra one. Otherwise, you have to get the extra one. But it's sections 3, 4, and 5 that go into the final paper. 3, 4, and 5. So make sure you watch the video about the final paper because that will tell you what you need to put into where. If you don't have strong sections 3, 4, and 5, you only have a couple of sentences instead of a solid paragraph, you will need to add to it. And that's the magic of the final paper. It's worth a lot of points, and it can really help your grade if you fix the problems that you had throughout the class. Again, the most important thing about this class is learning and making sure that you've learned about research methods. So I am very lenient when it comes to you resubmitting work and getting things in because I really want you to have learned something this quarter. So please get everything together. Start working on the final paper now. Do your reflection for this week. And then if you have any late work to submit, get that submitted. If you have any papers that you want to resubmit because they were under an 80, then please resubmit those. Send me emails to let me know that you've done it, and I will get to those graded this week. I promise everything will be graded by Sunday so that you can go into the final week and get your final paper all put together. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy week 15.